This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Next up is to install WordPress onto our domain. So this is what I love about WPX hosting. It's so easy. So we just click websites/SSL. And now we're going to add a new website. And if you did $25 a month plan, you can have up to 5 websites on your account. So the domain name here is givebackyourgift.com. Type that in and create your website. And if you ever get stuck here for whatever reason, even if you just get confused and you think that everything's working but you just don't know what to do, you can always click on the live chat. Don't be afraid to use that. I always abuse the live chat whenever I'm using a hosting service. So that's it. The website's successfully created. And if we were to go to that website, it's just going to look like this. So the website's there, but we haven't yet installed WordPress on it. So next up is installing WordPress. And we just click this button and it's going to do its thing. So you want to click on this button, install WordPress on your website. And then just fill out this email. And this is going to be the admin when you log into your site. So it's pretty important. What email do you want to use to log into your WordPress site? And also, what username do you want to use? I'm just going to create a dummy one for this, but you're going to want to take this seriously. I'm just going to save this in my password manager. And that way I can just create a password really easily and update that. And then once you fill out that information, you're going to deploy. Oh, it's actually not going to take that. So I'm going to change that. That's very strange. Since it's optional. Oh, I see, it's auto-generated. So if you wanted to create a password for you, and I'm doing that since it doesn't like my password, then you can just leave that blank. And then click on Deploy WordPress. And now it's doing its work, installing WordPress. And I just love how easy this is. Like, I think only people that have built websites in the past will truly appreciate how much easier it is now than a couple of years ago. But this used to be such a pain in the ass. And so whenever it just works like this, it makes me smile. And now let's try going to our website and see what happens. Bam, we got a WordPress website. So we have successfully installed WordPress onto our domain. And we can exit out of that. And next up is to install the SSL. So this just provides some extra security for your website. And it also means if someone were to go to your website and type in https:// which is the secure thing, it's just going to say not secure and give you a warning. And we don't want that. So we're going to click on the SSL dropdown and click on enable. Now this is another thing a couple years ago where I remember you had to buy an SSL certificate and install it manually. And it was like $50 and it sucked. And now you just click a button and it's installed. Once you get that green lock on there, you want to click on the SSL dropdown and install free certificate. And you can leave that as it is and click on install. Yes. There we go. So let's give it a try right now. And this is a lot of website building. It's kind of trial and error. It's not like you're going to get it perfect and everything's just going to work. But still, that's pretty awesome. So that was really quick. We have an SSL certificate installed for free. And now it looks so much more professional and secure when people go to that website. Because when people see that green thing, they're like, oh, they feel a little sense of peace. So let's go to our list and check that off.